Oh, hey there. Welcome to the Ask the Experts. A little informal this week. I let my hair down. It's not a thing. I've had the same haircut for 40 years. Welcome to the Ask the Expert. I'm your expert, Dan Nadolski with IWA.com. I'm going to answer some heating and cooling questions. Today's question is not from a watcher or a listener or a viewer. I guess it's a viewer since we're on video. These are just some of the top questions we found on YouTube, and we thought we would answer them. Air conditioner maintenance. How often should it be performed? Oh, okay, air conditioner maintenance is really important. You wouldn't drive your car for 100,000 miles without getting the oil changed. At least you shouldn't. And if you've done that to your car is probably like literally on fire in the parking lot. It's like dying. Take it to like a body shop or place where just go to your grandfather's house and say, I drove this for 100,000 miles and the oil hasn't been changed, and he'll just fix it. It'll be fine. Anyway, so air conditioner maintenance, here's what you should do. This is the air conditioner maintenance or heat and maintenance you should do. Every month, check your air filter. If it's dirty, replace it. If it's not, if it's not super dirty, if you can still see sunlight through it, you can put it back in, then just check it like 2 weeks later. Some people say you should go 3 months without changing your filter. That is way too long, in my opinion. Check it every month, and if it needs changing, change it. Air filters are cheap, and air conditioner maintenance and air conditioner repair bills are expensive. Next thing you can do, find a local HVAC guy or a service and have them come out and check your system at least once a year, right? This is going to head off any big problems you might have, and they're going to clean it. It's going to be great. You should get the furnace checked if you have a furnace in the fall before you start using it. The air conditioner spring is a good time. Yeah, so go ahead and do it. Just tell them, like, look, put me in for 10 years and just show up. Don't even have me call you. You just do it and they'll be happy to do that. And that will save you a lot of money in the long run. Yes, you're going to pay up front. You're going to have to pay them money to come do the maintenance. But, your air conditioner is not going to mysteriously explode in 3 years because the Who's-a-ma-Watts-it was out of configuration. But yeah, do that. You'll save money and your comfort will be better. Your allergies will be better. You won't have eye infections. I don't know about that last one. Anyway, okay, bye. Oh, hey, do you have questions for us on our show on Ask the Expert? Then just type in the comments below. Maybe we'll answer it. And also subscribe and like and rub the bell button. Okay, bye.